Hello, this is how to install the application JetBrains Toolbox on a Linux computer. So this is Ubuntu 25.10. On Google I searched for JetBrains Toolbox. From these possibilities of downloads, I have selected tar GZ Linux 64-bit x86. So this is AMD 64. I have saved it into the /downloads directory. And now I'm going to look at my instructions on my wiki page and mariusp.github.io, the last URL. In here I select JetBrains CLion. And in here I say that I prefer to install the integrated development environment JetBrains CLion on Linux, not by installing CLion first, but by installing JetBrains Toolbox. And then from Toolbox, I'm going to install CLion, and this way CLion will be installed correctly the way JetBrains intends. And also I'll have the possibilities to update CLion easily, to downgrade, to install other versions and other JetBrains integrated development environments and other JetBrains tools easily. So applications from JetBrains are installed correctly in the correct directory with the correct desktop icons, etc. We have rollback support to the previous version. We can install more tools. We have update support. Everything thanks to the graphical user interface application JetBrains Toolbox. So I have downloaded the tar.gz file. It's in my downloads directory. And now I'm going to follow my notes. So it says that I should have a directory //.opt with the subdirectory JetBrains-toolbox. I should change directory into the //downloads directory. tar minus it is possible that tar knows how to auto-detect the compression algorithm that's being used. So maybe this command line -xzvf can be shortened to just -xvf. So -x means extract, v verbose, and f, I don't know exactly what it is, but the second command line parameter, this z, is because the tarball is compressed with gzip compression algorithm. So let's skip this z. Extract vf, and then the tar.gz file JetBrains Toolbox, and then the rest of the command line. So what I really want is to have the contents of the tarball put into this directory /.opt/JetBrains-toolbox. So I do not want any subdirectories in here, such as JetBrains Toolbox and then the version. I don't want the version at all. So just straight /.opt/JetBrains-toolbox, and then whatever is inside the tar.gzip file. Okay. So it says that there's a file JetBrains-toolbox in there, which there's not. So it's inside the bin directory. Okay. This is the standard output, standard error from the executable. It's a graphical user interface application. And once it's installed, it will have a entry in the KDE Plasma start menu. In here, JetBrains Toolbox. We can eventually close the application and then start from the start menu. So let's do that. It says that I should agree. Start. Okay, and now I can close the application. Where is the menu? So this gears icon and then quit. Okay, so temporarily, just one time, I have run from the command line the executable JetBrains -toolbox. But from now on, I will always use the application from the start menu. I will start it from there. It has a system tray application. So let's see what we should do next. From the start menu, we have started the application JetBrains Toolbox. Tools tab, available subscriptions. What is that? Available tools. I have not logged into my JetBrains account yet, which I should do. CLion. Free for non-commercial use. The application CLion is installed correctly. Let's a bit look at the file system. So we have two different directories. One is tilde/.op/JetBrains -toolbox. The other one is tilde/.local/share/JetBrains/toolbox. So two different directories. In the first, we have extracted a tarball, and this second directory contains the rest of the JetBrains Toolbox application, maybe some settings, but also the applications that get installed from JetBrains Toolbox, such as CLion. So this is the path, the full path to the directory where CLion has been installed by JetBrains Toolbox, tilde/local/share/JetBrains/toolbox/apps/CLion. Now the application CLion can be started in two ways, either from the toolbox, you just click on the icon, or from the KDE Plasma start menu. In this case, just search for CLion, or it's in the development category, the first entry in my case. The application CLion has started. Let's see what it's asking for the first run wizard. Skip importing. And this should be it. There's a free trial. And I have a JetBrains subscription, which I will enable. Previously, from JetBrains Toolbox, once I have logged in, I was automatically logged into the other JetBrains applications, such as CLion. So let's try this. Let's log in. So I have logged into the JetBrains.com account using the web browser Firefox, and now it's going to launch a native application. And now it says that I am logged in. And this change should be also reflected in CLion. I'm not sure where. Probably I'll need to restart CLion. I can start it from JetBrains Toolbox. It still doesn't, CLion still doesn't recognize the account that JetBrains Toolbox is logged into. I have clicked on the bottom right where it says trial 30 days, and I can see that it has recognized my account, CLion. So this should be it. Pretty straightforward to install the application JetBrains Toolbox on a modern Linux desktop operating system, AMD 64. And I suggest that you also install the JetBrains applications through JetBrains Toolbox. Let's see some of the advantages. You can go to previous versions, you can go to the newest public release, you can go to future releases such as this release candidate build. So you can choose between various versions of JetBrains applications, and you can also install multiple JetBrains applications easily. This is the fastest way possible to install JetBrains applications and uninstall them. Maybe you just want to have PyCharm installed for an hour. You install it, you do your thing, 60 minutes later you just uninstall it, and that's it. Just make sure that the Toolbox application will tend to remain in the system tray, and if you really want to exit it, you should quit the application. This is it. Thank you.